Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the license plate light, the tag light on a Chevy Cruze. It's the same for all years. What you need to do is you need to open the trunk so you can access them better. And make sure your lights are off. And now right here there is two screws with a Phillips screwdriver right there. This is the right side and this is the left side there. So it's identical for both sides, it doesn't matter which one you replace. You just need to take both screws off all the way. Okay, right there. And now you need to use a screwdriver or your nail or something or a little knife and just pull it out of there. It's a real tight fit. It comes first on the inner side and you pull it out. And right here is the bulb. You just need to turn to the left 90 degrees or a little bit less, and this is the bulb right here. You just pull it out like that if you need to replace it. It's 32B bulb. And the new one, you just push it in. Again, you go to the right, like that. Make sure it locks all the way. And you just go right there, put it in, put the screws, and that's the whole. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.